Hello guys, and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be explaining why you guys are not able to do the 1X1X1X ritual for steal a Brainrot. So basically the reason you're not able to do this ritual is because the event has ended, and for now you could have only done it while the event was happening. So that's why if you notice that if you make your way over to like the end, nothing will happen, it won't let you go, and it will basically be, just like the normal map. So the reason why you cannot do the 1X1X1X ritual for now is because of the event. However, the next update or the next, admin party, etc., that does happen, it is possible that the thing does come back, so you will be able to do it then. So you just have to, just keep an eye out for it. So just keep that in mind, and yeah. So again, just make sure that you wait for the next one, because right now you're not able to do because the event is gone. So you can just simply wait for the next event. So yeah, that should be it for the video. Yeah, see, as it says, next event in 20 minutes, maybe you can wait until then. But other than that, that should be it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.